Yo, Sakafed, I'm Sammy Beats. Today I'm gonna show you how to create fire Afrobeat instrumental in FL Studio 25. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe, turn on your notifications now. Let's have some fun. I wanna start this beat with a bouncy drum, and let's set our tempo at 110 or 118, something like that. And we start with the drum. Let's say that we'll go with this one. We'll create a basic Afrobeat drum pattern. Let's say percussion pattern. Point B, and then we try to find a kick. Let's go the mini stash, and then go with one end, fill each 4 steps. Right. Okay, now I think I want to add a snare, maybe some amapiano snare. Okay, something simple like that. It's like we're creating a vibe. Now we put it there. Point B, we try to find a shaker. Let's use one from the Octaves drum, and we use this shaker right there. It's a vibe already. Okay, let's go back to Suka, and then we use this squash right there, the kata kata. We lower it again, and then we're good now. And I think I want to add another percussion, which is gonna be the last one. And Afro perc, I think I might use this flute right there. Okay. Okay, I have an idea for the melody. Okay, now let's make sure that everything is on time. We'll go to cell, and this one I wanna drag them down back here. Do the same here. Okay, let's see. That's a vibe already. Now we are going to try to find a nice corporation. Let's use a sky keys. Okay, let's go to cell, and we quantize RQ, we quantize everything. Command L. Okay, I take this same corporation that we play here, and then I put them here, and on those I wanna transpose them higher, so the voicing will be different here than here. And now let's listen. Okay, with this one we can call it float, and then we can add maybe some delay on it just to bring more energy to the track. Add delay, more movement, more energy. You already know. That's nice. Now we need a bass. I think we can add a sub bass first, and then after we add a log drum. But let's start with this pure bass. I love this preset so much. I don't know, every time I use this preset, it sounds good. Let's see if it sounds good there too. For this beat, pure bass. No. Okay, let's try to find something in Arcade. Now I'm trying to use every subscription service that I'm paying for. I'm trying to use them like a lot. Okay, let's see. And I think we are on F minor. F minor. Okay, this effect sounds good. I think I might use this. And then we start the beat with it. Like, okay, that sounds good. Let's go back to home, and then we are going to try to find maybe some guitar. I don't know. Let's go to guitar, and then nah, nah. No, I don't like this one. Ah. Okay, and then we call it. Let's see if it's okay. Nah. I really love violin and I use them a lot in my pod. I'm gonna try to use one from Nexus. Let's see if we can find a solo violin. Okay, let's use this one. And nice. That's nice. That's nice. Don't get me wrong. That's nice. And the next thing is gonna be maybe adding the flute CG extend. Let's go to class it send the flute CG extend, and then we load this log file, and then we start with. Maybe we can have this right there. Command L. Maybe we do this, and then we have this vibe right there. We can copy the same one. I want this to like boom. And now guys, the last thing I'm gonna do is like sidechain the log drum and the pure bass. Let's go out then to a mixer track. Boom boom boom. We're out there, and then on the bass we add our flute limiter. Go to compressor, and then we go to the log drum, and then we go right there. We select sidechain to this track, and then we go back to our pure bass, and then let's sidechain. We select this one. Okay, now let's listen. Okay, this one we can maybe cut some of the low. We use any filter that you want. You can go with the floaty parametric EQ, floaty parametric EQ2, and then and also on the guitar right there, let's call this arcade guitar. I wanna add some effect too. Let's activate it. Okay, we can add the pancake, so we can start from left to right or right to left. Let's use the pancake too, and then what is happening now? Nice. Maybe guys, we can add a flint echoes just to turn it down a little bit. And also we can add some delay, and then we are good to go. Nice, sound better now. And then now we are woo! Okay, I think I wanna use the bus compressor from UAD, and we can use the glue mix bus glue preset, mix glue 1, and now you see this is your reduction, gain reduction, and then you can see the output or the input. If we play now, that's your input, that's your output, and then that's your gain reduction. About -2, you see -2, -3, and then now I wanna add the stereo imager. You can use this stereo imager from Logic too. Guys, it's a vibe and I love it. I'm gonna drop it on my instrumental channel. Make sure you subscribe so you can enjoy the full instrumental. Yeah.